We're gonna start a new problem. Are we all ready? I named it Dance Party 4A. I am going to click on share. So this is how you share. And I'm going to copy the link to send it to you. All right, so that you look at it if you want. First thing I'm gonna do, I am going to get rid of this sprite because I don't want the cat. I am going to start by editing my backdrop. I'm gonna go over here to backdrops, choose from here a new backdrop, okay? And I want to do something that has to do with a party. So I don't want something like a house or a field or something like that. I'm gonna show you. So I'm adding this 3 times or 4 times. I'm gonna duplicate. This one is blue. I'm gonna leave it the same. This one I want to color it with probably after backdrops, I went back to code. In the code, I'm gonna grab an events block. We want a forever do, so we're gonna scroll down to orange and get a forever block. We're gonna go to looks, and we're gonna put next backdrop. Put it inside forever. Play the green flag and see what's gonna happen.
That's so cool!
Do you feel the party?
Yes, it's so cool.
Yes.
Okay, your next task, I added a dance. I'm finding someone who can dance. If you hover over it, she has different costumes, like this one. When you go to costumes, you should find different positions of the same person. Okay, so events, I'm gonna grab a green flag, forever, and I'm gonna put sound. I need music, guys. So I'm gonna play music. And I'm gonna go to looks and put next costume. Oh, there's a problem here. I'm gonna put next costume here. Let me put this outside under another event. Do you see her dancing?
Yes.
Nice.
Hey,